Soundraw. Still wasting hours searching for the perfect background music or paying expensive licensing fees? Frustrated when stock tracks never quite fit your project's mood? You are not alone, and that is exactly why Soundraw exists. Soundraw is an AI-powered music creation platform that makes composing original, royalty-free tracks fast and easy. Whether you are a musician, content creator, filmmaker, or just someone experimenting with sound, Soundraw gives you complete creative control without requiring advanced music theory knowledge. Here is how it works. You start by choosing your preferences: genre like pop, rock, or jazz, mood like joyful or melancholic, tempo, and instrumentation. The AI then composes a unique melody tailored to your selections. But Soundraw does not stop there. With its customization tools, you can adjust chord progressions, melodies, volume levels, and even track length in real time. This means every piece of music you create is truly your own. One of Soundraw's strongest advantages is that all generated music is royalty-free. You can safely use your tracks in YouTube videos, podcasts, films, or commercials without worrying about copyright strikes or extra costs. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible for beginners, while professionals will appreciate advanced options like dynamic tracks, a feature that makes compositions sound less repetitive and more engaging. Collaboration is another standout feature. You can share projects, work with others on compositions, and easily export your finished tracks in multiple formats for use across platforms. Soundraw is not just about saving time, it is about sparking creativity. By removing technical barriers, it empowers anyone to experiment with music and produce professional quality tracks tailored to their projects. Stop settling for generic stock music or breaking your budget on licensing. With Soundraw, you can create personalized, high-quality soundtracks that perfectly match your vision, quickly and affordably. Try it today and let your creativity take the lead.